Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Aulia Kafyugisah, NIM 023, Agribisnis Studi Program, Kelas A, Faculty of Agriculture, Trunojoyo Madura University. In this video, I will discuss about peanut commodities in Bojonegoro, namely general condition of peanuts in Bojonegoro, processing and marketing, that are planting, processing and marketing. Then market potential, supply and demand, problem, government policy and solution. General condition of peanuts in Bojonegoro. In Bojonegoro, there are several types of soil, namely alluvial, gromosol, lithosol, and Mediterranean. Peanut is one of the leading commodities in the agricultural sector in Bojonegoro. This is because it is influenced by the type of soil in Bojonegoro. The land in Bojonegoro is suitable for the development and cultivation of peanuts. The plant area of peanuts in Bojonegoro in the year 2016 reached 3,435 hectares. Production of 5,188 tons. In the year 2017, the planting and harvesting area of peanuts reached 2,445 hectares, with a production of 2,811 tons. Processing and marketing. 1. Planting. Peanuts are intercropping plants that can be planted anytime and anywhere. Peanut seeds were originally obtained from middlemen. Now, all the seeds come from Lutford crops. There are several types of peanuts plant, namely broad type with a harvest period of 3 months, while China and half can be harvested for 8 months. The type of broad peanuts can be harvested 4 times a year. Peanuts can be planted in fertile soil by planting peanut seeds at a spacing of 4 by 15 cm or 30 by 20 cm. Meanwhile, on less fertile soil, it can be planted more tightly, namely with a spacing 40 times 10 cm or 20 times 20 cm. Peanut planting hole as deep as 3 cm by 2 Each hole is filled with 1 to 2 peanuts and then covered with fine soil. Peanuts need moist soil from the time of planting until 2 weeks before harvest, which is when the germination, flowering, and pod filling pass. If there is no rain, you can use irrigation water. Weeding should be done regularly by cleaning from nuisance plants because peanut plants are very sensitive to competition such as weeds and grass. Pests on peanut plants must be eradicated. In addition, along with weeding, the soil is loosened between the rows of plants. Fertilization must also be done because fertilization contains nutrients that can increase soil fertility and improve plant nutrition. The most widely used fertilizer for peanuts are nitrogen, phosphate, and potassium fertilizer. Processing. Peanuts are very profitable for farmers because all the harvest is not wasted. In addition to the seeds, which can be used for various processed food products, peanut dregs can also be made into oil and fermented on charm which sell for sale. Peanuts leaves are also not thrown away because they can be processed into vegetables. In addition, it can also be used as animal feed and green manure. Peanut seeds can also be used and sold as peanut seeds for peanut cultivation. Marketing. The peanuts after harvest are sold to the middleman. Farmers usually sell peanuts to large collectors with good quality. Peanut farmers in Bojonegoro can also sell peanuts to PT Garuda Food. Market potential. Peanuts have a high selling value and low maintenance cost. Marketing of peanuts at harvest time, the selling price is fairly high. The price of peanuts in the market certainly varies, some ranging from 5,000 rupiah to 9,000 rupiah per kilogram. Some are priced at 6,000 rupiah per kilogram for freshly harvested peanuts and dried peanuts for 13,000 rupiah per kilogram. Peanuts have good business prospects, so the results are always profitable and get a turnover of up to tens of millions of rupiah. Supply. Soil conditions in Bojonegoro are very favorable for growing peanuts. In Bojonegoro, there are several types of soil, namely alluvial, gromosol, lithosol, and Mediterranean. Peanuts can grow well in low soil with a pH between 6 to 6.5, with moderately moist soil conditions and good drainage. Poorly drained soil will cause root and pot rot, and if the soil is too dry, the crop will languish and the pot will not form. Peanuts need an ideal rainfall of between 45 to 200 millimeters per month. The altitude of a good place for peanuts is between 5.0 to 500 meters above sea level. Peanuts also need full sun. To achieve optimal results, farmers must be able to provide the elements needed by peanut plants. Good quality peanut will sell in the market at a high price. Peanut in Bojonegoro have a good quality, so that selling value and price in the market are expensive. Demand. Peanuts have many benefits, so that the market demand for peanuts is high. This has encouraged many farmers to be interested in developing peanut commodities. The number of industries that use peanuts as a raw material makes the demand for peanuts in the market increase. The increasing demand for peanuts makes the price of peanuts also increase. The high demand for peanuts will benefit farmers in Bojonegoro because they will benefit greatly from the high price of peanuts. Problem. The problem faced by peanut farmers in Bojonegoro are pests that attack peanuts and the difficulty in getting fertilizer. This problem makes farmers experience peanut harvest failure. Crop failure causes farmers to suffer loss. Government policy. 1. The Department of Agriculture or Dispecta of Bojonegoro Regency implements a policy by providing assistance to peanut farmers in Bojonegoro to increase peanut production. Field office provide assistance to peanut farmers in Bojonegoro from the beginning of selecting superior seed varieties that are in accordance with land condition and how to deal with peanut plant pests. 2. Syariah Business Incubation Center Indonesia Ulama Council or PINBAS MUI and KSP in collaboration with Perhutani Bojonegoro and Garuda Food create a new program, namely the National Peanuts Agribusiness or Agrikanas in Bojonegoro. With this program, the assistance provided by farmers can gain knowledge for the cultivation of peanuts with the correct cropping pattern, and the yield of peanuts can be increased. Perhutani prepare a forest area of KPH Bojonegoro covering an area of 939.15 hectares in 2018, spread over an area of 130.6 hectares. BKPH Tengger covering an area of 197.3 hectares. BKBH Pradok covering an area of 47.2 hectares, BKBH Cirebung covering an area of 253.6 hectares, BKBH Nglambangan covering an area of 137.1 hectares, and BKBH Cilangap covering an area of 73.35 hectares. Solution. The problems faced by peanut farmers in Bojonegoro can be overcome in various ways, namely 1. Use of organic fertilizer for fertilizing peanuts by using liquid organic fertilizer GDM. This was done to overcome the problem of the difficulty of getting fertilizer in Bojonegoro. Peanut organic fertilizer can help the growth of peanuts. 2. Armyworm attack on peanuts can be overcome using vegetable pesticides derived from leaves such as alamanda leaves, babadotan leaves, frangipani leaves, and noni leaves. The stalk of peanuts there. 3. The stalk of peanuts that are still being sold to middlemen should not be cut out. Farmers can sell peanuts to Garuda Food because Perhutani Bojonegoro has collaborated with PT Garuda Food. Farmers are directed and given knowledge about how to sell peanuts to PT Garuda Food. As much as I can tell, if there is a mistake, I'm sorry. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.